Hey folks, Karen here with I Figured It Out. Today I'm going to show you some pens that will work in your Cricut machine that are off-brand. So here's a Cricut pen. This is another Cricut pen. Nope. This is a welebar pen. And these are sparkly. This is a penning gear. And this is an ultra fine point. And this is a craft world. And I think this is a 0.4 or something. But what I want to show you is why I can use these. Because they work in the Cricut machine's original adapter in the A side. Now I'm on a Cricut Maker 3. This also works on the Cricut Maker, the Explorer. But why I don't use pens where you need to have a different adapter. But I set up in Design Space already a test where I can show you how these pens work perfectly in the Cricut. Okay, so each of these pens will fit in the slot just like the Cricut pens. So here you have a Cricut, snaps right in. Here you have the craft world. And it snaps right in. In fact, craft world even puts the little triangle pointy thing there, just like Cricut. This is a welebar glitter pen. It fits right in there. And this is the pen and gear. It says ultra fine point. It's a marker. All right, now we'll switch to the blue one, which is the glitter pen. And the craft world. And last, the pen and gear, the marker. So there you have it. Pen and gear permanent markers, craft world, and the welebar glitter pens. And these all work perfect. And between those four, I have pretty much all the pens and colors I need. And there's my glitter pens here. So after trial and error, I have a whole jar of adapters. And you can never get them just right. I also have a universal adapter It's one of these that fits in, and then it's got a screw that goes in the side, and it's supposed to tighten it up. But they never tighten centered. And it may not matter on a pen, but it matters if you're using a Cricut scoring tool. The scoring tool does not fit centered into the universal adapter, and there are no little adapters that fit with it. So I had to stop using my scoring tool until after I replaced this adapter. So that's just me. That's just how it works with me, and I thought I'd share. Okay, that's it for this video, and see if I can switch myself around here. I don't know. Probably not. So you see my face like this. If you enjoyed this video and it helped you, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Have a great day.